Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Pathar-ka-Gosht is a traditional and a unique recipe from Hyderabad where mutton is marinated with certain spices and is cooked on a special stone. But it is not convenient for some of us to make the recipe at home using the stone, so today we are going to make it on a grill pan. Here I have half a kg of boneless mutton, which I have cut into thin slices. As you can see, they're not very thick. If your mutton pieces are a little thick, then you can take a stone and hammer them and make them nice and flat. To that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of raw papaya paste. Papaya paste basically works as a very good tenderizer for your meat. Here I have a paste made of half a cup of fresh mint leaves, half cup of coriander leaves and 4 to 5 green chilies. I'm going to just add this to the meat. A teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder and a tablespoon of roasted coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder, a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, a tablespoon of ginger paste and a tablespoon of garlic paste and some salt. Now let's mix this together and let's massage the meat really well with all these spices and herbs. Now to this I'm going to add half a lemon juice, mix this well, and then we are going to let it marinate for at least 2 to 3 hours. The longer you marinate it, the better the Pathar-ka-Gosht will taste. It's been over 3 hours that we'd kept the meat to marinate, and now let's grill this on a grill pan. For that, I have already kept a grill pan to heat. The pan is nice and hot. I'm just going to put the pieces of meat on it. I've kept the flame on a high. I'm just going to drizzle some ghee on this. And now we're going to cook this on one side for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After almost 5 minutes keeping this on a high flame, I'm going to reduce it to a medium because we don't want the meat to burn. We want it to cook well within its own juices now. So I've reduced the flame. Now after 10 minutes, let's turn the pieces of the meat. I've cooked the pieces on the other side also for another 10 minutes and these are almost done now. The Pathar-ka-Gosht is ready after cooking it evenly on both the sides for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's switch off the flame and remove it in a serving platter. And our Pathar-ka-Gosht is ready to be served. You saw how easily this recipe can be made in your kitchen. You can serve this with some nice naan, slices of onion and a lemon veg. So do try this recipe and let me know.